In this video, we'll be looking at the 2020 Test 3. This is the Year 10A test that was hosted on Tuesday online. So I'm going to go through the work solutions now. I've got my calculator ready, make sure in degrees and decimal mode. So writing your name, 1 mark, so hopefully you got that, and just saying that all your work's your own and you're not discussed your answers with any friends or family members. So let's go on to question 2, and it may have appeared slightly different in your zoom in a little bit there. It might have appeared a little bit different in your paper as the questions were shuffled. So the value of y in this polygon is, well, firstly, we know this is a 1, 2, 3, 4-sided shape. So it's a quad. The angle, total angle, is 360 degrees. Now we know here that this is 90 degrees here. So therefore we can just add it up. 2y plus 90 degrees plus 60 degrees will have to equal 360 degrees. 3y plus 150 degrees equals 360. Using SABMIB, we now have to take 150 from both sides. And we've got 360, so this would be 210 degrees. Divide both sides by 3, so y is 70 degrees. That'd be 2 marks there. Okay. The next question, we've got, looking at the diagram, what reason provides triangle RSP, so RSP with triangles QSP, and we know that that symbol there means congruence. So how are these identical? So we're going to try to prove it, is it AAS, SAS, RHS, etc., or side, side, side. So how can we do that? Well, we can see here we've got PR is equal to PQ, so we've got a side. Okay, what else do we have? We've got a common side. PS is a common. And we also have the same angles here, represented by that dot. So angle RPS is equal to angle angle QPS. Angle, therefore, side, angle, side. So the option we choose is C. Now, we can't assume RHS because, look, there's no right angle there. So we just use with the information we're given. All right, it's 1 mark. Okay, next question. We've got to find the value of x. We can see here, and we've worked quite a few of these questions both in class and in your books. In the EMAC book, we know these are going to be similar triangles. So first thing I like to do is just draw a dot here, okay, and that helps us represent that this triangle, the angle here, is the same as this one here. Now I like to break these apart. We've got 2 triangles, as we can see, and they're overlapping. So I find redrawing these makes life a little bit easier. So you might have this, you don't have to do this, 2PBA, like that. And then you've got the other bigger triangle. Obviously, I'm no artist here. PRQ. And then we just add our dimensions. So we've got a 2 there for AB. And for PB, we've got a 4. And now for P to R, we can see it's going to be 4 plus 4, which is 8. And QR will be X. And we know that these angles are the same. Now, for something to be similar, okay, we know that there has to be a scale factor, an equal scale factor that can go from this triangle to this triangle. So I'm going to draw an angle down and say we're going to times by some scale factor. Now our next step is to match up a pair of sides that we know both the dimensions of, so PB and PR, and we know PB times by some scale factor equals PR, subbing what we know. 4 times by scale factor is equal to 8. Therefore, SF would have to be 2, so the scale factor is 2. Now to work out X, well, AB times by a scale factor makes QR, and I'll do this in a different colour. AB times by the scale factor is equal to QR, and we can see that that'll be 2 times by 2 equals QR, and therefore X is equal to 4, and there's our final answer. Okay, we're on to question 5 now. A circle of radius 10 centimeters